Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to play Xbox 360 games on PC. Firstly, you need to download the Xenia emulator for its official website. Extract the downloaded Xenia folder to a location on your PC. Now, open the extracted folder and find the xenia.exe file. Open the extracted folder and find the Xenia file. Double-click on it to run the emulator. Now, visit the Xenia compatibility page to check if your desired game is compatible with Xenia. Look for the game and check if the status is listed as gameplay to confirm it works properly on the emulator. Now, click on File in the Xenia menu, then select Open. Locate the Xbox game file, usually is ISO or XEX format on your PC. Alternatively, you can drag and drop the game file directly into the Xenia window. The game will start to load with an animation, and if the game file is corrupted, the loading might get stuck. To ensure the game file is valid. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.